Oh, nice.
First mod. What's the other, the sticker?
Oh, that's from my hat. This hat, actually. Huff.
What is it? Huff hat. Nice.
Huff X Budweiser, bro.
And the animal crackers.
You gotta stay fed when you're going fast.
Stay fed.
Yo.
Sensor day air combustible. Air fuel sensor.
Sean, you want a snack?
I don't want that.
Oh. Yes.
Just put your finger in it and see.
Yes.
Well, you'll be able to tell. You just put your finger and tell. And just like.
In the middle?
Yeah, it's in the middle somewhere.
Yeah, you gotta get greasy to get fast.
Gotta get greasy to get fast.
I can't remember where it was. It was like right here. Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is.
Nice.
I see. Okay.
Dude, I think your car's growing legs, bro.
I see where I have to go, but can I get there? Yes, I can. Believe me, I can.
Believe me, I have some experience.
Yes, I put things in holes. Is that in? Is it in?
Is it in? I thought you had experience, bro. That's the right one, right?
The right hammer?
No, too sensitive.
Yeah, of course. You recorded me taking it out of the box, dude. Is that the right one? Oh.
Can you twist it more?
Thanks. You probably suck your f***ing wife's boyfriend's cock, you
Whoa.
I don't have a wife.
Yes. How the f*** did you, Evan, how the f*** did you get the wrench in there, bro?
No, get the socket on first without the wrench on it.
Okay.
If you want to cover your ears, I'm going to do some hammering.
No, it's not about covering my ears. Isn't it 8 o'clock? Holy f***. No, you wouldn't get it, Sean. We went to Dunkin' Donuts.
Yeah, we went to Dunkin'. That's it.
Yeah.
No, so we were getting Dunkin' yesterday. He said that he was on the top of a hill and he was the one that like called airstrikes.
Definitely not.
Definitely not. I agree with Sean on that. Definitely not.
Viscous.
You look like the Wicked Witch of the West under the house. Can show more information about the car.
No, because that's from a car that was junked.
Oh.
So it's got to go this way. Were you able to hold the plastic clip?
Yeah. I was able to get all my hands up there in any position. It didn't matter, bro.
That
ass.
I couldn't. I was so close, and then I had to stop.
To laugh?
Yeah, I can't.
Seriously, like the people at the Miata Club were like, dude, how are you doing this? And I'm like, I had my hands up in the engine from underneath. They're like, dude, how do you have your hands like that? And I'm just stuck in there.
Oh, I got it.
Is the O2 sensor like tight?
Yeah, the O2 sensor's tight. Oh, she's tight. That feels good. That feels good. I just f***ing jammed my hands straight up into her sockets, and I went to town. It's almost time to almost get there.
Dong. Perfect.
Yeah, it's like a bell.
What now?
Sean, if you put that on my car one more time, no Dr. Pepper. You could have a Dr. Pepper.
Really?
Do you want a soda?
I love a soda. Not right now.
Berry lemonade Sunkist.
We gotta. Oh, sweet. Hell yeah.
Waterberry
Waterberry soda.
I hate the sheetrock. Okay.
Speed jacking, dude. Oh, sweet. Oh, okay. That's why I did that last time. Then.
Yeah.
Okay, sweet.
You gotta bring your arm out, like nice and big.
Yeah, it did.
Now you're curling it in.
Oh, I
A lot
was.
of little guys will curl in. You gotta make it big.
Damn, take notes.
Ooh, my car smells so good.
Yeah, it actually does. Okay, that should be good. You should
Yeah,
be
that's
able to
good.
Put the ratchet on it.
Should I go over or under?
I'll put the ratchet on it first because it's gonna have to still go.
I know, I was just one. Thanks, dude. Woo. Okay. It's good.
Nice.
And... Damn. Don't What?
It's in. I heard the click. Nice.
I did too.
Drop that shit!
Sean! Come on! Delicious num nums. Alright, boys. I love my yum yums nummy. Is it gone? No way! Are you serious?
It would have come back on already.
Gentlemen? Sean? It's time. Well, gentlemen.
Oh.
I was listening to the song all day. Me too, yes. So good. Here we go.
What is this song?
This is fucking Sticker Brush Symphony.
Whoa. So sick.
Yeah, I know, dude. Oh. The chicken!
No!
No! Oh, so close.
Best carriers, all the 50 can handle it,
Okay,
even in
so now
cold.
hit
Plus,
that
if
button
fans
right there,
join
and then
in,
again.
they can save up to $150 on their energy bill. Looks like
Knock
you just made
sensor
the
3
tape,
circuit
rookie.
bank.
So it's the O2 sensor's fine.
For great savings, buy
And it's the other sensor that was on.
based on average switching from hot to cold.
So that's another sensor.
Yeah, isn't this song sick? I
This
found
is
this
awesome.
right after.
Okay, this
I'm
is a
gonna-
good tone for this mood.
Yeah, right? Like, good but revitalized.
Yeah. Okay, so what we need is just to figure out what part that P0330. That's the other one I wrote down.
Have you ever seen this picture? You sent that to me.
When?
like 3-4 years ago.
Jesus Christ.
Smoking on, you know, what's the name tonight? Tonight. Smoking on, you know, tonight. I am the old nigga. BG, they really get it. Like, don't you address me unless it's before the medicine.
Gentlemen.
Oh, nice. Damn, I can see now. That's awesome.
Now that everything's plugged because coolant was just leaking out the waz a second ago.
Try to peel off that rust.
Oh, there's nothing.
No,
Sure.
it's supposed to be just like that. And then the back.
Feels like there's something